Hey, what's up, besties? Welcome back to another video. So today we're going to be doing our paycheck to paycheck budget. If this is your very first time stopping by my channel, hi, I'm Elaine Michelle and I am literally your new best friend. And over here on the channel, we just get ourselves together by working through our budgets and all of that good stuff. If you're interested in joining the community, make sure you hit the subscribe button as well as the notification bell so that you don't miss any more of my videos. And you can also send me a text. The number will be on the screen somewhere and down below in case you miss it. So you can send me a text, let me know what's going on, as well as getting all the latest updates. And don't forget to subscribe to the newsletter on my website, www.elainemichelle.com. Now that we've gotten all that over with, let's get into our paycheck to paycheck budget.
You're special and she reckless. Remember, you're my bestest friend. Yeah, she my bestie. My love for you is endless. Nobody else can end it. And when I get that money back, then baby girl, you can spend it.
All right, so our paycheck date was December the 24th. So we actually got paid a week before the end of the month, which that's fine. So we just have our paycheck number 1, and that's $2,700. Now the other thing I'm just going to write down here, maybe I should change the color, stimulus check. All right, so the stimulus check it's supposed to be $1,200. So if we get that, it'll be down here. Let's go ahead and make that a highlighted thing so we know we're not just looking for something that's not gonna come, but we want to put it on there to make a note of it. All right, so our bills that we have, of course, are rent, we have insurance, we have rent is due on the 1st and insurance is on the 1st. Then we have Apple Care. Okay, and Apple Care is due on, what's Apple Care? No, iTunes number 1. That's what we're looking at. Woo, child. Okay, so this is iTunes. I'm like, why? How did Apple Care jump up to the, that's what I was looking at. Like, oh my gosh. Okay, so this is iTunes number 1, and this is on 1, 2. And then we have Zips Car Wash. And that's on 110. Apple Care, there we go. And that's on 110 as well. And then we have iTunes number 2. And that is due on the 13th. Okay, so all of that will take me through pretty much the entire paycheck until my next paycheck, which my next paycheck will be, let's go back over here. So we get paid here and we get paid here. So through the 8th, so everything through the 8th will be taken care of. So from the 8th to the 22nd is, but this paycheck pays for all this stuff. Wow, that's kind of interesting. So I just had a brain remembering thing. So everything I got paid for on the 24th will take me to the 8th, and then on my 8th paycheck, that's going to take me to the 22nd. Then my 22nd paycheck is going to take me to February the whatever that date in February is. So that's interesting. So my 22nd paycheck will have to last me until that February, but this paycheck only has to last me through the 8th. So technically I need to take wow, I only have those 2 on there if I did that. So let's do that. Let's go ahead and take these off because we get paid on the 8th. So we'll have another paycheck then. So we're going to keep this as clean as possible. So we have iTunes. That's going to be the majority of everything because I get paid on the 8th, right? Okay. So then we have our cash envelopes. Okay. And then we have our sinking funds. All right. So rent is $780. This is $260, and iTunes number 1 is $1693. Okay. That's cool. So this is, I'm really looking at this in a different way because I have not been looking at it like this. I've just been so used to paying everything on the 1st and the 15th that I hadn't looked at what my paychecks really need to be. So that is something good. I'm glad we're pointing out here in this video. If you're like me and things change, you might need to go back and adjust your mindset, which is what I just had to do. Okay, so then we also put childcare on here. I know he isn't going back next week, but he may be going back the next week. So let's just go ahead and budget for $100 here just in case. We did $200 in our overall monthly budget. For our cash envelopes, we normally do 16 for the month, so it's gonna be $305 for this week. And then sinking funds will be $80. Why did I write a 1? That is so ugly. Hold on. Okay. And this will be $80. All right, so this is what we'll be working with for this paycheck. So this paycheck, again, let me just write this. This has to take us from December 24th through January 7th. Okay, that's what this paycheck will cover. And that's important to note because that helps me to kind of adjust how things are looking. And I want to say, because last month I just had, you know, everything together, I hadn't even paid attention to it. So sorry to me, sorry to myself that I had not even looked at that before. Wow, I'm like stunned right now. I'm shocked and appalled. All right, so we had $2,700 is what we're working with for this month. So let's do $780 plus $260 plus $1,693 plus $305. $305 to my city. Okay, plus $80 plus $100. So that leaves us, our total expenses are $1,541.93. And y'all always tell me to put my dang on thing on do not disturb mode while I'm recording these videos, and I always forget. But all my devices are connected to each other, so everything pops off at the same time. All right, so $1,541.93 is where I am at, and I'm gonna subtract that from the $2,700. So we have $1,158.07 left over, and that's remaining. Things that I need to do: I need to book my doctor's appointment. So I need to book my annual. So that's gonna at least cost me, I think I said like $40 for my copay. And then I think that's it, you guys. Like, I really think that is it. I'm like so shocked at myself. Have y'all ever done that before where you just a little shocked at what's going on? You're like, okay, need to do some things differently. But yeah, this is where we are at right now, how we're moving, how we're shaking. So we have $1,158.07. We are still in the green, so that is a good thing. I like to make sure I mark that I am in the green, and that money will just get put up on January 7th. Whatever's left over in the account will get put up into savings. So remaining funds, zero balance. So this basically would say our savings over here, we'll write that down. Our savings would be $1,158.07. We'll go ahead and save the rest of that. All right. Okay, you guys, thank you so much for watching. Let me know. Oh, wait, before we go out of here. So with the cash envelopes and sinking funds, inside of my cash envelopes, I have my groceries, I have self-care, my personal care items, household items. All of that stuff is inside of my cash envelopes video. I do have a cash envelope video that you guys can check out. Now, I just put do not disturb up there, and here we go. We still getting notifications. But if you look up here at the top, I'll have a cash envelope video over there with the sinking funds and all of that, so you can see what's all included in there. Because I know people ask me, well, what about your groceries? What about this? That's all included inside of my cash envelopes video. So, my cash envelope system. All right, you guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you have enjoyed this. Let me know how your paycheck to paycheck budget came out this month. Did you learn anything new like I did? Because child, whoo. Let me know down below in the comment section, and I will catch you in the next one. Mwah. KK, bye.
Special and she reckless. Baby, you're my bestest friend. Yeah, she my bestie. My love for you is endless. Nobody else can end it. And when I get the money back, then baby girl, you can spend it. And everything is alright. I like how you're doing alright.